Welcome back, everybody. Couple of reasons why we're going to get an insane alt season. First of all, we're looking on the Bitcoin chart. This is our market leader, okay? And you can see we had an amazing run on Bitcoin last year since 2020 from the 10K all the way to 60K. Now, once it hits these levels, okay, you can see it started to go sideways. Now, when Bitcoin going sideways, we're looking on the weekly chart, okay? Every candle is a weekly. That's a long-term perspective. So when it's going sideways, the Bitcoin hodlers and investors are losing, and all the new money, all the retail, losing interest in Bitcoin, and they start flipping their Bitcoins into altcoins. So this is one reason when Bitcoin going sideways, when Bitcoin's ranging, altcoins going nightmare. And you can check the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, this whole thing happened in February, and also since January, we are in an epic alt season, and the Bitcoin dominance chart proves this point. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. When it's in the red on the weekly, you can see we are in a full-blown alt season. Okay, we are in a full-blown alt season since the beginning of 2021, basically. Okay, you can see that wick here. That's the beginning of 2021. We've been in a massive downtrend for the Bitcoin dominance, meaning altcoins dominance growing, more money goes into altcoins. Obviously, we had some consolidation here. Bitcoin dominance was consolidating before she broke bearish right here. Now, if you zoom out, we broke a very important uptrend on the dominance. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And if you're a subscriber, you know what we're talking about. We talked about it in the channel. Once we broke that area, look at that, boom! Altcoins started to go nightmare mode. And if you want to see where is the probable area that Bitcoin dominance might have a little bounce, as you can see, we broke below the 618 fib, and it also coincides with that top here and support here, support, resistance, support, fib level. So once we break in below that level, if we're going to confirm this weekly candle in 2 days, okay, we can see Bitcoin dominance go down all the way to 44. Okay, the next area of significance is around the 43, and obviously all the way down to these two bottoms here between 40 and 35. All right, guys, so this is very important chart to watch if you are an altcoin trader like us. If you are an altcoin trader, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Next month going to be insane, and you want to be subscribed because we're going to give some very nice trades, setups, and markets updates. Now, another chart you want to look when you want to identify, are we in an alt season or we are not in an alt season? First of all, Ethereum. Ethereum is the queen of altcoins. And look at that. You open the weekly chart. Ethereum is in a clear uptrend on the weekly. Okay, it's already trending higher for the last month and a half. Okay, it's gaining on the dollar and on the BTC chart. Now, on the BTC chart, this is a very amazing signal here. We are making higher lows and higher highs, okay, and we now broke the previous high, and we are now at 0.05% the Bitcoin. This is very, very, very good for altcoins. When Ethereum gaining on the BTC chart and is going on a tear, this thing is very bullish for altcoins. Now, obviously, we're going to have some, resistance along the way. This is a very critical area to break. You can see this area here was resistance and support here. This is a clear area of resistance at around 55, 0.05. After we break that level, it's probably gonna moonshot. It can go, to the 0.8% Bitcoin or maybe even to the 1% Bitcoin back here. But we take it step by step. We're not moon boys here. But as you can see, we're breaking out, and it's looking like it broke out of this megaphone. You can see that was a megaphone here. We've been trading in this megaphone for around, 2 years, guys. Let me measure that time. 630 days, guys, in this megaphone, and we just broke above it this week. Obviously, it's not confirmed yet. We need to confirm this weekly candle outside the megaphone. It will happen in 2 days and 15 hours. Once this thing is confirmed, mamma mia, we're gonna get an insane alt season. Now, if you're a newbie and you think market's going to go like an airplane straight up to the sky, it's not going to happen, okay? So Be prepared for some drawdown, for retracement, stuff like that. Markets move like that. They don't move like that, all right? So, you know, if you're new to crypto, think about educating yourself, learn about chart reading, learn about chart analysis, educate yourself, because that way you're going to make a lot more money and you will not capitulate at the lows. If you want to learn, check out our trading group. Join tomorrow. We open a new month for membership in our epic trading group. Now, also, Ethereum is a very important chart to indicate alt season, and also you can see our big dogs, you know, BNB. Look at BNB. BNB, why I'm looking on BNB? Because BNB is the largest crypto after Ethereum, okay? If you're looking on market caps, BNB is almost 100 billion. So when a BNB is making a move on the BTC chart, basically it's gaining more than the Bitcoin, that's pushing the Bitcoin dominance down as well. It's a very, very important coin to watch when looking on alt season. So BNB exploding on the BTC chart. Look at that. It's just breaking higher and higher consistently. And look at that, it just broke out of a beautiful ascending triangle. Look at this ascending triangle for the last 21 days. Boom. It was resistance, resistance, resistance. Look at this coiling here. This is a beautiful chart, guys. If you don't look on charts when you trade and you put your money and you're watching only the news and only the bullshit YouTubers out there, bro, okay, you need to start taking care of yourself, okay? You're gonna get hurt. Don't listen to people on YouTube that talking about partnerships and all that nonsense. Watch the charts, learn to read charts, and you don't need nothing else in your investing life. Nothing else. All right, so BNB, another indication that you're going to get amazing alt season. And also XRP. XRP, maybe you don't like this coin. Maybe you love this coin. It doesn't matter. The XRP is currently at 60 billion market cap. And when XRP is moving, you know, you wanna join the trade, okay? You wanna take the trade, because when XRP is a very good momentum trade. But I digress here. But look on the XRP BTC chart, okay? XRP BTC chart is in a clear uptrend since March 2021. Yeah, March 2021, like 2 months ago. Okay, we started this uptrend. We can go on the monthly to see. Okay, let's make it the last month. Okay, since actually April. Okay, April. Look at this uptrend on the BTC chart. We are exploding in value. But we need to take that level. If we're gonna break above that level, you know, on the monthly, that will be very bullish. But again, another big dog that is gaining on the BTC chart, and it looks like, look at the 3-day and the daily, we are approaching a breakout here. So watch XRP for a scoop, guys. This is a very good breakout rate. If you can break above 30,000 sats, this can blow off completely. BNB is already breaking out, so you can scoop some BNB anyway, give you some, you know, some tips if you want. And you know, these coins, you can play, you can be safe when buying them, because they're big dogs. Obviously XRP is more you know, more scammy, okay? So be careful, you know, they can dump it and pump it. But BNB is much safer play, and Ethereum, you know, much safer play than XRP. But anyway, all these variables shows you, plus the Bitcoin dominance chart that is tanking below the 50%, okay? Now altcoins have more dominance than Bitcoin in the total crypto market. Okay, you understand what we're talking about here. We haven't been in this situation that Bitcoin was below 50% since here, okay, since December 17. Okay, so let it sink and understand that altcoins are now stronger than Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin is still dominating the market, but altcoins technically as a whole stronger than Bitcoin. All right. Anyway, guys, pleasure talking with you. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Next month we're gonna blow up in videos in YouTube. Anything you need, send me a message. By the way, you can comment down below if you want me to take a look on an altcoin, on a specific altcoin. But make sure, you know, give me a real altcoin, you know, not like an altcoin that is like less than 100 million market cap, because it's a total scam and I don't trade scams. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one. Cheers.